This 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features a Dusk interior, sleeps 6, awning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, TV, oven, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 13,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.